How to change Minecraft account password. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change Minecraft account password. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser and open the minecraft.com, you'll be able to see such interface. So from this interface, as you can also know, we have to just log in or create Minecraft account with our Microsoft account. So to change the Minecraft account password, you'll have to just change the account password of your Microsoft. So for that, you'll have to open the Microsoft, and from there make sure that you are logged in with your account on the Microsoft.com. And after you come on this interface, you'll have to just click on your profile icon just at the top right corner, and now from your click on my Microsoft account. Alright, so from this interface of your Microsoft account, you'll get options like change a password. So it will appear at the top right corner. So simply tap on the option change a password. Okay, so from your, you'll have to just verify with your older password of your Microsoft account. So simply you have to enter it. Alright, so from your, you'll have to just approve a sign in request from your laptop or device which you have been recently logged in. So after you confirm with your password, you can easily go these sections like new password and confirm password, and from there you can easily change out of your Microsoft account for your Minecraft account. So simply from your, after you change the Microsoft account password, your Minecraft account password will be automatically changed from the Minecraft. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.